Hey there, viewers! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of gut health and exploring the 4 essential steps to improve your gut microbiome. Make sure to stay until the end to learn about the 4-step gut health challenge. We've included sources of the information in the video description. Gut health is a hot topic these days, and for good reason. Our gut is home to trillions of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms collectively known as the gut microbiome. This complex ecosystem plays a crucial role in our overall health, influencing everything from digestion and nutrient absorption to immune function and even mental well-being. Having a healthy gut microbiome is key to maintaining a strong immune system, reducing inflammation, and promoting proper digestion. When our gut is in balance, we feel more energized, our skin glows, and our mood improves. It truly is the foundation of our well-being. I remember the first time I realized how much my gut health was affecting my overall happiness and energy. It was like a light bulb went off when I made the connection between what I was eating and how I was feeling every day. Step 1. Incorporating probiotic-rich foods. One of the most effective ways to support a healthy gut microbiome is by incorporating probiotic-rich foods into your diet. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that are beneficial for your digestive system, helping to balance the gut microbiome and promote overall gut health. I remember the first time I decided to add more probiotic-rich foods to my diet. I was feeling constantly bloated and had irregular digestion. A friend suggested starting my mornings with a bowl of plain yogurt topped with fresh berries. I noticed a difference within a few days. My digestion felt smoother, and the bloating started to subside. Foods like yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir, and miso are excellent sources of probiotics. These fermented foods contain a variety of beneficial bacteria strains that can help improve digestion, boost immunity, and reduce inflammation in the gut. To incorporate more probiotic-rich foods into your daily meals, try adding a serving of yogurt with live cultures to your breakfast, snacking on kimchi or sauerkraut, or enjoying a glass of kefir as a refreshing beverage. You can also experiment with adding miso paste to soups or dressings for a flavorful probiotic boost. Remember to choose high-quality, organic sources of probiotic-rich foods whenever possible to ensure you're getting the most benefit. By making small changes to include these foods in your diet regularly, you can support a thriving gut microbiome and experience the many benefits of improved gut health. Step 2. Increasing fiber intake. When it comes to promoting a healthy gut microbiome, consuming an adequate amount of fiber is key. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that the body can't digest, but it plays a crucial role in supporting gut health and promoting microbiome diversity. I used to have a hard time incorporating enough fiber into my diet. I felt sluggish and my digestion was all over the place. Then I started making small changes, like adding a generous portion of quinoa and roasted vegetables to my lunch. The difference was remarkable. I felt fuller for longer, and my energy levels were more stable throughout the day. Fiber-rich foods such as whole grains, fruits, vegetables, legumes, and nuts are excellent sources of this essential nutrient. These foods provide the fuel that beneficial gut bacteria need to thrive, helping to maintain a diverse and balanced microbiome. To boost your fiber intake for better gut health, aim to include a variety of fiber-rich foods in your daily meals. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh berries, snack on raw vegetables with hummus, incorporate beans or lentils into soups and salads, and choose whole grains like quinoa or brown rice as side dishes. Making small changes to increase your fiber intake can have a big impact on your gut health and overall well-being. By prioritizing fiber-rich foods in your diet, you can support a thriving gut microbiome and enjoy the benefits of improved digestion and immune function. Watch until the end to learn the 4-step gut health challenge with actionable steps. Step 3. Managing stress levels. Did you know that stress can have a significant impact on your gut health? The connection between our mental well-being and our gut microbiome is a powerful one, with stress playing a key role in influencing digestive function and overall gut health. I used to be under a lot of stress, juggling work and personal life, and I didn't realize how much it was affecting my gut. I constantly felt uneasy, and my digestion was erratic. Incorporating stress relief techniques into my daily routine, like mindfulness meditation and regular exercise, made a world of difference. My gut felt more settled, and I was generally more relaxed. When we experience stress, our body releases hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, which can disrupt the balance of bacteria in our gut and lead to digestive issues. Chronic stress can weaken the immune system, increase inflammation in the gut, and contribute to conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and leaky gut syndrome. To support a healthy gut microbiome, it's essential to manage stress effectively. Incorporating stress relief techniques into your daily routine can help reduce the impact of stress on your gut and promote overall well-being. Practicing mindfulness meditation, engaging in regular exercise, getting an adequate amount of sleep, and spending time in nature are all effective ways to lower stress levels and support a healthy gut. These activities can help calm the nervous system, reduce inflammation, and improve digestion, leading to a more balanced and resilient gut microbiome. Step 4. Regular physical activity. Regular physical activity isn't just beneficial for your overall health and fitness, it also plays a crucial role in supporting a healthy gut environment and promoting microbiome diversity. Exercise has been shown to have a positive impact on gut health, influencing the composition of gut bacteria and contributing to a more balanced and resilient microbiome. I used to struggle with maintaining a regular exercise routine. My energy levels were low, and I felt constantly tired. Once I committed to at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week, the change was incredible. Not only did I feel more energetic, but my digestion also improved significantly. Physical activity can help promote a healthy gut environment by increasing blood flow to the intestines, stimulating the growth of beneficial bacteria, and reducing inflammation in the gut. Regular exercise has also been linked to improved digestion, enhanced nutrient absorption, and a stronger immune system. When it comes to choosing exercises that are beneficial for gut health, a combination of cardiovascular activities like running, cycling, or swimming, along with strength training exercises like weightlifting or bodyweight exercises, can be effective. Yoga and Pilates are also great options, as they can help reduce stress and promote relaxation, which is beneficial for gut health. As we start wrapping up, let's recap the key points of what we've covered so far. We've explored the importance of incorporating probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut into your diet to support a diverse and balanced gut microbiome. Increasing fiber intake through whole grains, fruits, and vegetables is essential for feeding beneficial gut bacteria and maintaining microbiome diversity. Managing stress levels through mindfulness meditation, exercise, and adequate sleep is crucial for maintaining a healthy gut environment. Regular physical activity, including cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and mind-body practices like yoga, can promote a healthy gut environment and support microbiome diversity. Implementing the 4-step gut health challenge. Let's put all this information into action with the 4-step gut health challenge. Here's how you can start. Step 1. Incorporate probiotics day. 1. Start your day with a serving of plain yogurt or kefir at breakfast. Add some fresh fruits for extra flavor. Day 2. Include a small portion of fermented foods like sauerkraut or kimchi with your lunch or dinner. Step 2. Increase fiber intake. Day 3. Add a high-fiber fruit like an apple or a pear to your morning or afternoon snack. Day 4. Include a serving of whole grains such as oatmeal or quinoa in your meals. Step 3. Eat prebiotic-rich foods. Day 5. Incorporate prebiotic foods like garlic and onions into your cooking. Try adding them to soups, stir-fries, or salads. Day 6. Add a portion of asparagus or bananas to your meals or snacks to further boost prebiotic intake. Step 4. Hydrate and manage stress day. 7. Focus on staying well hydrated by drinking at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day. Daily. Practice a stress management technique such as meditation, deep breathing, or a short walk to support overall gut health. Implementing the 4-step gut health challenge significantly improved my digestive well-being and overall health. By incorporating probiotics like yogurt and kefir, increasing fiber intake with fruits and whole grains, and adding prebiotic-rich foods like garlic, onions, and asparagus, I noticed fewer digestive issues and more regular bowel movements. Staying hydrated and managing stress through techniques like meditation also contributed to my improved gut health. By the end of the challenge, I felt more balanced, with increased energy levels and an improved mood. These simple changes became part of my daily routine, helping me achieve and maintain optimal gut health and overall well-being. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos on gut health and wellness. Check out our related video, and I'll see you in the next one.